Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Python. Today we're going to be talking about lists. And lists are basically just a list of certain items that you want, a list of arrays, a list of integers, a list of strings. So what we're going to do is a list, or we're not going to do a list. I'm so used to C++. We're just going to do food. And then what we're going to do is equal, and then we're going to do a bracket. And then in here, then we're going to start filling out fries, hot dog, burger, and shake. And then with that, if we did a print food, and we did a control B, we would get the list of all of the stuff in there. So fries, hot dog, burger, shake. And with that, that's our list. But we can, what you could do is you can single the list out. So if we did print, food sub 0, which is the first in the list because we go 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we did a control, we build it, we would see just fries because we chose that specific one. And then we could also do a dot title. Oh crap. And then do a B. And that will do the same. Oh, because we just added the title with the fries, so that basically did the same thing. It capitalized the fries so that it's a title. Excuse me. You could both print out any object that you want. So if we copied this and we did, we'll just leave the title. And then we did sub 3. And then we pasted this again and did like sub 1, and then we built it. We'd see fries, shakes, and hot dogs. And because why that's out there a little bit is because of the hot dog being a specific has a space in there. So if we did a -1. And then we built it, we would get a special ending. So we would get shake because it's especially useful to get to the end of the list, just in case if you ever needed to get there without knowing exactly how much it is. So you could go -1 would be shake, -2 would be burger, and it just goes in reverse. So if we did a -3, I believe, and we built it, we would get hot dog, and then so -4, we would come back around and get fries. So it's just, you can go positive or negative, and it could be very useful at times. And another way you could do it is you could add your, you can make another message and add like to a specific string of your list. So if I did a print F, my favorite food is, and then what I can do is then do the brackets like we do for that, and then we could do food sub 2 dot title, and then that's about it. And then we could do B. And then say my favorite food is a burger. And then we could do something similar without having to put it in the print. We can make a message equals period. And then we could just do print message. And then control B. And there you go. But this time, instead of 2, let's do 0 and B. And there you go. My favorite food is burger, and my favorite food is fries. And with that, you could store it with those as well. And that's the initial thing on arrays. Next time we will be talking about how to adding and removing elements in an array of lists and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.